Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of Agentforce Under the Hood. In today's video, we will explain how OTP validation can be implemented in Agentforce, why it's crucial, how it enhances security. The key aspect of this OTP validation feature is encryption and decryption of the OTP for security. When an OTP is generated, it is encrypted before returning as output to agent. This ensures that even if intercepted, the OTP remains secure. Once OTP is received from end user, the system decrypts it and verifies its authenticity before granting access. This additional layer of security further protects sensitive data provided through Agentforce agents. Also, in this video, we will show how you can distinguish between logged-in and guest users accessing the Agentforce agent in an Experience Cloud. The OTP validation is used only on guest users. Why is this important? In a world where data breaches and unauthorized access are common, ensuring that only the right people can access sensitive information is critical. OTP, one-time password. Validation provides an extra layer of security by verifying user identity before granting access. Without OTP validation, agents could be vulnerable to security risks. With OTP, we ensure that only authenticated users gain access to the system, protecting both company data and customer information. Demonstration. Let's walk through how OTP validation works from a user's perspective. Imagine a user visiting the Experience site as a guest and asking a question to Agentforce's virtual agent, OD. The user's query requires access to private data, such as their order details. As you can see, we are in the preview of the agent. I'm applying a condition called East Customer Verified as false. I'm asking to show my order details. Before providing this information, OD needs to verify the user's identity. The agent asks the user to enter their registered email, contact email in our case. Once the email is entered, an OTP is sent to their inbox for verification. Once the correct OTP is entered by user, OD confirms the user's identity if a matching contact found in the system and retrieves the requested private information. If the OTP is incorrect, the user is prompted to re-enter a valid one, ensuring security. As I say, the generated OTP is encrypted and decrypted in session. So this OTP mechanism is user-only for current conversation. So the two actions which we are using for generating an OTP and validating OTP, I will show you here. So this is the action which we are sending an OTP to end user. So once the email is entered, the generated OTP is sent to end user with this action. The generated OTP and enter OTP is compared within this action. Let's jump into the logged-in user perspective. So for logged-in user perspective, I'm applying two conditions called customer verified as true and mapping a contact. So again, I'm asking show my order details. In logged-in user perspective, they are not bothered with this OTP mechanism, but a hidden pressure is used to get their contact details in an Experience set. As you can see, we applied a condition in preview. So with those conditions it iterates, it will fetch the order details of any data. So as I mentioned, an hidden pressure has been used for an Experience site. So hidden pre-chat fields, which we get contact ID email, first name and last name. and a key component is being used in this experience site. As I said, so this LWC component is used to get the logged in user contact details, and an head markup is being used. With this, we are retrieving the contact details from an experience site. So the comparison between the traditional methods and this implementation. Traditional methods are available in Agentforce releases so far. So for either just users, the email entered by user, or exposed OTP in conversation. So the implementation, what we are shown welcomes. They both said limitations. So this is how you enable OTP validation in Agent First to secure agent logins and prevent unauthorized access. It's quick, efficient, and significantly improves security. This is just the beginning of Agent for series. We will be coming up with more such interesting videos to help you enhance security and productivity in Agentforce. Stay tuned for more episodes.